Hello guys, this is Spicy and this video is sponsored by Testors. Today I'm reviewing the Testor Model Master Metalizer Lacquer. So I have 5 different shades of lacquer color here, and these are all part of the Metalizer series. These are really good for model kits. So I definitely recommend these. I have been using these products for several months and I have to say they're really good, especially on Gunpla. I think I paint about 40 kits using various different shades of metalizer lacquer, and I have to say I definitely recommend them, especially for painting models. So these are formulated to be used with airbrush. However, you can actually paint using a brush directly from the bottle. So yeah, I mean, if you have like a very little area that you need to paint, such as some model kits, you can definitely use a brush and just apply the lacquer directly onto the parts. So yeah, they're definitely very useful, and these colors are actually really good. If you've seen, I featured them in a lot of my reviews lately on the products. In fact, all these kits has been painted using these various different shades of metalizer lacquer, and they're very durable. They dry incredibly fast, so much faster than acrylic. It's like it dries about half the time of what it would usually take for acrylic paint to dry. So, and the bond is very solid. Now, there is one caveat: you do have to use these in a well ventilated area because the fumes may be a little bit strong. Also, if you're in the area where you don't have access to a lot of ventilation, I recommend wearing a mask. And I also recommend wearing gloves when you're painting with these products because they can dry very fast. And the cleanup is a little bit more, there's a lot more cleanup compared to stuff like, such as acrylic paint and stuff like that. So yeah, you might have to use some rubbing alcohol on your hand to get the paint off. But otherwise, these are very good products. I definitely recommend them. Here I have the Gunmetal Buffing, and you can find each of these bottles for around $4.60 at your arts and crafts stores such as Michael's, Hobbytown, Tower Hobbies, Hobby Lobby, and you might even be able to find some of these at Walmart. And if you cannot, you can always visit them at www.testor.com and order them online. So yeah, so right here I have a Gunmetal Buffing. This is probably the most useful color when it comes to a Gunpla. The joint parts, these are actually the same color as the joint parts. So when you paint the joint parts using this color, basically you're just giving them that very nice metallic sheen to it. So let me give you an example right here. I have the waft right here. It's holding this I guess like a large, maybe like a sniper rifle kind of thing, or like a cannon, and I painted the tip using the gunmetal gray. You can see basically it's a very similar shade. It just gives it that nice metallic shine to it. So that's really cool. And next off we have the titanium buffing. This is also very good. It's like a darker shade of pretty much a gunmetal color, and this is also very useful. Next up we have the magnesium, and then we have the stainless steel. These are also very good. Depends on the shade that you're working with. Definitely very nice for all the inner frame parts. And then we have the aluminum plate. This one is one of my favorites because they're really good for like power cables and battle damages, especially when you want to weather or damage up your kit for that nice exposed metal look. And yeah, I definitely recommend these. These are really nice products, and they're very affordable at less than $5. So yeah, well, $5 plus tax. If you're paying $4.56 plus tax, I'll probably run you around $5, which are very good value. These are really good products. I definitely you definitely want to consider using some of these on your next project. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'd like to thank Testor for sponsoring these products, and thanks for watching.